Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a lovely, easy, fancy fold card called the Double Easel Fold. I'm using this Flowers for Every Season Designer Series paper, which is a beautiful 6x6 DSP stack in the annual catalog. It uses all the gorgeous new in colors for these fabulous floral designs. Isn't it beautiful? You'll need a card base that is 5.5 by 11 inches, and that is scored at 5.5 inches. Then you'll need another piece of cardstock, and this measures 4 by 10.25 inches, and it is scored at 2.5 inches and again at 5 inches. And you'll need 3 pieces of DSP. This piece is 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches. And then 2 pieces that are cut to 2 1/4 inches by 3 3/4 inches. You'll also need some scrap white cardstock to stamp your sentiment, and I've cut out a shape with one of the dies from these Stitched So Sweetly. So first of all, I'm going to make sure I burnish the folds on my cardstock and make them nice and crisp. Then I'm going to attach my 3 pieces of DSP to this Magenta Madness cardstock. Before I attach this to this, I'm going to add some ribbon to embellish. I'm going to attach my 2 pieces of cardstock together. And now all that's left is stamping on this and attaching it. I'm using the Thinking of You sentiment from Rooted in Nature, and I'll be stamping that with Magenta Madness ink. Also going to add a couple of stickers from the Flowers for Every Season Memories and More card pack. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you want to learn about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. During the COVID pandemic, I'm not offering in-person classes, but you can sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Once COVID is over, I will once again be hosting in-person classes. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!